Welcome to this tutorial where we'll explore the effortless creation of a personalized masking label control using NCAMEO Inc., the powerful no-code, low-code platform. You'll be amazed at how simple and efficient it is to visualize your events in just 7 easy steps. Let's take a look at how easy it is to create a masking label control. Select Add New from the menu to create a new masking label control. Choose Control List as the control type. Select Label as the control option for your masking label control. In the Design tab, fill in the database field name to specify the data you want to display in your masking label control. Next, in the Validation tab, choose the mask type that best fits the data you want to display, such as phone number, email, or any other type of data. Then, in the Advanced tab, select Other, Value and fill the field with the attribute or data you want to display in your masking label control. Finally, click Save to create your customized masking label control. And that's it! With just 7 easy steps, you can have a powerful and user-friendly masking label control to display and secure your data and simplify your day-to-day tasks. So why wait? Take the plunge and sign up for our software now. Start streamlining your workflow with the user-friendly masking label feature offered by NCAMEO. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. We hope you found it informative and useful. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on maximizing the potential of NCAMEO's no-code platform.